Now that we have completed how to use the template option, let's now see how to use the standard broadcasting option in the Webmatrik website. Click on Broadcast and select Add Campaign. Give your campaign a unique name for better identification. Choose a platform you wish to choose. Select the campaign type to be standard. Select the approved standard template from which you have made. Make sure that the template that you have selected is approved. Click on Use Template. Before clicking on that dotted box that says click here to upload the file, click on Download Template File for upload. Go to the location where your file is downloaded and open that file in Excel. Under the mobile number section, type in the numbers and the country code accordingly. Save the edits and go back to the web page. Now click on the Click here to upload the file option. Upload that Excel sheet and make sure those phone numbers are valid. Click on Next. Click on Click here to upload the image, then select which image you want to upload along with your body so it will come together. Then scroll down. Under the footer section, there are two options called Schedule Now and Schedule Later. If you want to schedule it for a later time, click on the Schedule Later. Choose the date and time according to your desires. If you choose to schedule it now, then you can click on the Schedule Now option. And then right before clicking on Send Campaign, make sure you have put in all the right details in the preview right above the Send Campaign. Now that you have confirmed it, click on Send Campaign. Congratulations, you have successfully created a campaign using the Webmatrik platform. To get the details or updates on your campaign, click on Campaign. On the right side of the screen, a message status will appear. Click on Refresh to update it to show the current status. Please wait, as the campaign you have just created is being tested to completion. It has now been complete. Now you can see all the details have been updated. To learn more details about the campaign, click on Download Report. So you will be redirected to the Download Center. Download the report and open the file. So you can see the detailed report of the campaign that you have sent in, which Excel shows details about phone number status, creation time, status code, and response. In the Report section, you can see four options: Download Center, Campaign Report, API Report, and Conversation Report. In the Campaign Report, all the template messages that we have tested can be downloaded by date. In a PI Report, we can download API reports that we created by specifying dates. And in the Conversation Report, you can download the Conversation Messages report by specifying dates, by selecting tags, by selecting status, or by selecting agent. If you unblocked number messages by selecting Block By, you can get the conversation message reports.